Reverse. Forward. March.
Kompleto yun. Likod pa.
Huwag ka sasali sa amin.
Yung mga iba mo doon sa likod. Yung maliliyan, ano naman? Mga illegal.
Yan ang gusto ko sa nights eh.
Oo.
All guys.
May kagandahan.
Present. Go!
Sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hiniram, duyan ka ng magiging sa manlulubi. Di ka pasisiin sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bugtaw. May dalagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilin. Lupa ng araw ng ating pagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
All right. Hey. All right. Come on. Hey. Forward. March.
Okay. Bago po patuloy, may tulad po na bigkas ako magsalita tungkol sa organisasyon para sa ganyan maintindihan nyo yung ginagawa namin ngayon at saka ibang araw, ibang religion activity ng Knights. Una po, i-define ko muna ang Knights of Columbus. Knights of Columbus is a global Catholic fraternal service organization. Service organization ang Knights. Puro servisyo. At ito, sa buong mundo, at ang membro rito, puro Katoliko. Na ano ito na organize sa tatlong reasons. Number one, to support Catholic Church. Number two, provide financial protection to the family. Number three, to engage in the works of charity to the less fortunate. Ngayon, sinabi rito for the protection to the family. Ano ang protection na magagawa sa pamilya? Meron kami dito sa Knights, tinatawag na insurance. Ito example lang. Meron kaming group insurance at 585 per year. Pag mamatay ka, libre ka ng 75,000 worth ng service sa Holy Trinity. By the way, ang Holy Trinity ang may-ari ng Knights of Columbus. Kaya, member ka, sabihin mo lang doon ang bibigyan ka ng discount. Pero kung may policy ka, libre yung service na 75,000. Yan. Tapos, engage in the work of charity. Dito si Brother Romeo magaling dito. 100% more. Puro charitable masyado yun. Kaya maraming natutulungan. Yan ang pinaka-marka niya sa Knights. Ang Knights of Columbus members ay una, kailangan lalaki. 80 years old, over, at saka practicing Catholic in union with the Holy See. In union with the Holy See, ibig sabihin, yung mga gawain natin, kailangan kalinya sa Vatican. Kasi may mga Kristiyano na ayaw maniwala sa Pope o iba ang pinaniwalaan nila. Pagdating sa Knights, hindi sila qualified. Kailangan parating nakalinya tayo. Alright. Dito sa paglalakbay namin sa Knights, merong 4 na policy na sinusunod namin. Una, charity. Fraternity and patriotism. Charity, explanatory na yun. Unity, ganun din. Fraternity, kapatiran, at patriotic. Kailangan love of country. Kaya dito, mayroon kami sa Pilipinas. Pag nag-umpisa ang mga service, ano muna, kanta muna ng national anthem. Alright. Sa Knights, mayroong 4 na degree. Ang unang degree ay charity. Dito may orientation, ito ang simplification na pinapaunawa sa candidate kung ano ang ibig sabihin nun. Pag makagraduate ka, mapropromote ka sa 2. Ito naman, unity. So, self-explanatory, hindi ko na dapat explain. At fraternal, parang kapatiran. Fraternity. Pag mag-graduate ka dito sa fraternity, ang tatawag sa iyo ay sir. Sir, halimbawa, pero may tawag yung fraternal na sir ang tawag sa kanya. Pagkatapos doon, patriotic. Pag tapos ka na rin doon, ang tawag sa iyo, Sir Knight. Hanggang kamatayan na yun. Kaya, karoon ni Sir Knight, Ruby, dapat nilagay ang address. Okay. So ngayon, dito sa dahil sinasabi niyan sa church na may secret daw ang Knight. May sikreto. Totoo yun, may sikreto. At itong sikreto nito ay hindi dapat mawala. At ito ay sabi nga nila hanggang kamatayan. At yung secret na ito, malalaman pagka tapos na kayo ng mga at magbigat ang violation nito sa secret na ito. For violation, and it will bring dishonor as a man, disgrace as a knight, and dismissal from our ranks. Yan ang sinasabi namin. Kaya, kinocongratulate ko si Ronnie kasi hanggang kamatayan niya, dinala yung sekreto. Hindi pwede ikwento. Kahit ang knights, pwede sila magkwento, kaliber. 40 degree, pwede. Pero yung ibang knights, hindi pwede. Dahil knights ka, hindi pwede. Kaya, secret yun. Kaya ang tawag nga minsan sa Knight Society, secrecy. Mga sekreto na hindi dapat. Kahit sa mga asawa, hindi kwento yun. Kaya, yun ang mahigpit dito sa Knights. Ngayon, sa mga hindi Knights, malalaman niyo kung kayo ay magiging miyembro. Kahit ikwento sa inyo, mapahigpit yun. Pero kung Knights ka, iba ang pakiramdam. Okay? So, kinocongratulate ko si Robby again dahil ang secret na ito ay dinala niya sa libingan. Hindi, walang nakalabas. By the way, ako yung
known as Kiss Papi. Resolution of condolence. Whereas it has come to our knowledge that Brother Romeo H. Patawara was called by Almighty God on August 25, 2025, and whereas by his release, the association suffered the loss of a staunch supporter who sincerely believed in our fraternal objectives and positively manifested that belief by joining the association. Therefore, be it resolved that the Board of Trustees, in their own behalf and in behalf of the other members of the association, expresses as they hereby express their deep sorrow for the demise of our beloved member, and be it further resolved that this resolution of condolences be offered as it is hereby being offered to the family of our departed member. Be it resolved finally to enroll him and perpetually to share forever in the graces of the holy sacrifice of Masses, solemnized at the chapel of Father George G. Wellman Center in Caburas, Manila, attested by Libumapel Yovienco, Secretary, and Pascual C. Carles, President, Kisipagi.
Gratitude for the next valor in combat and in peace. Always punctiliously offer to him the higher honor of his kingdom, such a medal of commendations, so that his life and valor serve an example to other knights. Our brother Sernay Romeo H. Patawaran, when he was
Friends, today we in the district of 43 comply simplest of the National Province and Assembly. Kapayapaan Assembly, SAN 3842, are gathered together to honor our royal departed brother, Sir Knight Romeo H. Patawaran, whom the Almighty God in His
All rise.
As an honored member of the fourth degree of the Knights of Columbus and a citizen of our country, he had pledged to obey and support the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, to enlighten himself of his civic duties and to conscientiously perform them entirely in the interest of our country, regardless of all consequences to him. He further pledged to preserve the sanctity of the ballot and to promote respect for law and order. He actualized the foregoing pledges as he practiced his religion consistently and faithfully, and he conducted himself in public by the exercise of the desirable duties of honesty, integrity, punctuality, sincerity, modesty, and efficiency, as to reflect nothing by credit to our Holy Mother Church and prosperity to our beloved country for the greater glory and honor of God. By this flag, we leave all these lofty precepts to you, as the Father would have wanted it, for you to
lang yung mga honor na.
Sige po, immediate family, petals, immediate family, please, sige po, maglagay ng petals. Tapos mga kamag-anak, pagkatapos friends,